Hi guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making a spring veggie galette. So we love this recipe because it's super easy, super tasty, and it takes like no time at all. We love having puff pastry on hand because you can totally go the savory route, which is what we're doing today, or the sweet route, using any fruit that's in season, again, what you have on hand in your fridge. If this crowd-pleasing recipe sounds like something you'd like to try, subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, let's do this. So we're gonna start off with a sheet pan that's lined with parchment paper. Reminder, parchment paper makes it so nothing's going to stick to your pan. Super easy cleanup, and you just have to wipe it down. No soap and water necessary. Something I really like about galettes is you can kind of treat it like a piece of art. So we're gonna be taking our romesco, using that as the base. Nice orange color that's really gonna brighten things up. So we're gonna mix our peas, cream cheese, and half of this cheese, tossing it with oil, salt, and pepper, and setting that aside. Like I said, we're starting this out with our romesco. So romesco, dollops of our cheese mixture, and then we'll be placing our asparagus throughout the galette, folding that over and popping it in the oven. So we've got our cream cheese here. I'm gonna start with that. Shred a little bit of this cheese. So I'm adding in my olive oil and then my salt and pepper. So make sure you're adding enough olive oil to your cream cheese and your shredded cheese mixture because we don't want it to be too thick when we add in the peas. Adding in our peas gradually is super important here because we want them to remain intact. So now it's time for the fun part. We're gonna get a little artistic here. Unfolding our puff pastry. We've used about a half pouch of our romesco. We're gonna take the back of our spoon here, just smooth it over to cover the majority of the pastry. Okay, now we're adding the pea mixture. We're just gonna kind of dollop this around the pastry like a little painting, and then we'll add the asparagus. Final dollop here. We are gonna spread this out into kind of an even layer and then top it with our asparagus. I like this. Okay, so we are going to do a little bit more cheese on top, obviously. Fold this over, sprinkle with some olive oil, and pop it in the oven. I've got my oven preheated to 400 and we're gonna pop it in the oven for about 25 minutes. All right, so there you have it. Our spring veggie galette is complete. We did our peas, we did our cheese, we did our asparagus, this beautiful puff pastry here, and obviously the most important part, our red pepper romesco. All right, I'm ready to dig in. I don't know about you guys, but if you like this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to see future recipe videos. For the full recipe and Textbowl shopping list, click the link below. Thank you so much for watching and cook happy.